So, okay, so we had our nice and clean bullish candle on the daily time frame. Now, since I had my fib starting from like here, or let's see where that fib actually went. Well, fuck the fib. What I really wanted to show you was the change in, as some people would say, character. I just like to say, we finally got our resistances to break on the 4 hour, which means on the 1 hour structure is actually broken. So yeah, my bias is bullish, and I'll be looking for buys today. Preferably after 8 or somewhere inside of New York session would be nice. Same with UJ, exact same as UJ. I was waiting for the 4 hour resistances to break. You see, lower high, lower high. This was the last lower high created before we had this. And these were the candles that officially broke, like officially broke it for me, right? And then we had a higher low. When price was creating that, I was looking and I was like, well, you're more than likely not going to pass this level if we're actually going to continue. And what did Bryce do? Dipped into this level, gave you a double bottom and higher low with an engulfing, which is, a classic, and then continued bullish. So it's like the same situation for today. I feel like if it's going to come bearish, it shouldn't pass this level right here. So maybe something like this, if it even ends up going that far back. Right, and again, on the weekly time frame, we're in this level, this juicy liquidity level that's just filled with buyers. All right, and I know that because what do we do on the weekly? We had a lower high. We broke it. We had a higher low. We maintained it. We're coming back into that same liquidity area while we're bullish on the weekly. So yes, let's get into some obese buys. The gold, the gold. Now I'm looking on the 1 hour time frame for, I want to see if it's still playing with that same time frame. So not getting two bullish candle closes above this. This is one, technically. But my bias for this is definitely bearish. And even it probably is more clear on the 4 hour right now. So I don't expect it to at least close on the 4 hour past this level and hold, right? It could come up, but if it comes up, it's probably to do what people would maybe assume a fake out. I don't know. Let's see. 58.2. So, might as well do this one. All right, so then if I were to take sales, the next take profit would be right here. And you want to sell some point. So structure is clear on, actually it's clear on the 4 hour more so than the 1 hour, because the 1 hour, it's kind of looking like you have all these stuff right here. So if it's more clear on the 4 hour, I'm going to want to take confirmations on the 30-minute. But since it's gold, I would be okay with 15-minute, even it's not bullish on the 30-minute, I'll tell you that. So let me see the 15-minute. Yeah, it is bullish on the 15-minute. 15. All right, so like I'll be looking for like a lower high or an engulfing variation to then continue to this level. Something of the sorts. And I would really like a nice good pullback so I can get into some nice good juicy buys, because I don't trade in this nice good juicy time of London because I'm not awake. So that's it for me today. We got 30-year bond action at 1. It sounds important and it's in red, so assume that you're gonna have some volatility. Yeah, that's later today. So yeah, happy trading. Take advantage.